Welcome to the Cleanster app. Here's how to view active jobs and track progress. All your upcoming and past bookings will appear under the Bookings tab. If a job is currently active, you will see a progress bar indicating whether the cleaner is on their way, has arrived, is currently cleaning, or has completed the job. Once your cleaner is on the way, you can see their location and how far they are. Note, cleaners can only mark themselves as arrived if they are within 100 meters of your property. Click on the Photos button to view before and after images of the cleaning progress. To ensure quality control, cleaners can only upload images taken in the past 12 hours. Click the Preview Checklist option if you want to see which tasks have been completed. If you wish to modify the hours, click the Hours button and use the slider to make adjustments. You can speak to your cleaner by clicking the Message button. Here you can communicate via text, images, or voice notes for your convenience. You can also access conversations under the Messages tab. If your cleaner is texting in another language, you can simply click the Translate button at the top. To save you time, if a cleaner requests information that's already been shared in the property listing, the CleansterBot will automatically send the appropriate response. Once a job is complete, you'll be prompted to rate your cleaner and provide an optional tip. Finally, select your payment option and click Done. If you need to revisit this job, simply toggle the Past button to view all your past bookings. Thank you for choosing Cleanster for your cleaning needs. For more info, visit Cleanster.com.